In this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways on how you can buy things with PayPal without credit card or bank account. Now, whenever you want to buy something, PayPal asks you guys for a credit card, okay? Now, this video is going to solve your problem, okay? Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your PayPal. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways on how you can buy using your PayPal balance without credit card, okay? Now you want to click on settings in the top right, okay? Now after that you want to click on payments, okay? Here what you guys need to do, where it says here online purchases, you want to select here PayPal balance. Click on PayPal balance and then you want to select it, as you can see here, PayPal balance, and click confirm. Alright, now it says here you set your PayPal balance as your preferred way to pay online. Click on done. Now try to pay now. If the problem is still there, then the second solution is going to solve your problem 100%, okay? Now what you guys need to do, you want to go to Payoneer, okay? Probably you know Payoneer, it's a very popular like virtual bank. It's not like virtual, but you know, they offer guys credit cards, they offer everything. Now I just created an account. As you can see, I just created an account on Payoneer. It's easy to create an account on Payoneer, by the way. It's like you are creating a PayPal account. You add there your address, your full name, your street address, you know. After you create an account on Payoneer, then you can use Payoneer credit card and then you can link it to your PayPal. It's easy, okay? Now I'm going to show you what I mean exactly. So I'm going to click, for example, on here, Payoneer cards. Now as you can see here, guys, I have 2 cards. One is virtual card, as you can see, and the second one, just click on or just click on Payoneer cards. After you create an account on Payoneer, click on Payoneer cards and then you can order a card, as you can see, and you can either order a virtual card, which will be available right away. Physical cards will be sent to you guys, okay? It will be sent to your house and then you can use it inside your PayPal. You can link the Payoneer card to PayPal and then you will never have the problem of PayPal asking you guys to add like credit cards. Now in case you want to pay using your PayPal balance but you don't have the PayPal balance, make sure you have PayPal balance inside your PayPal balance so that you can pay using your PayPal balance, okay? Because if you don't have a PayPal balance and you don't have a credit card, there is no way to pay, okay? Now like I said, you want to order a virtual card. A virtual card is just click on view card and then you will be able to get the card in your email, okay? And then you can use that card, okay? You can use it. They will give you card number, expiring date, and then you can link. Just click on add bank or and then you can link the card here, just like this. The security code is this, and that's it. And then you click on link card, okay? It's very easy. Now after that, yeah, after you click on link card, then you can use your PayPal without any problem. If you don't know, I already made a video specifically about how you can link Payoneer credit card to PayPal, okay? Just search on YouTube and add the channel name of this channel and then you will be able to see the videos I made specifically about how you can link Payoneer card to PayPal if you don't know, because it's very easy, guys, to do that. If this one helped you, please drop a like. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.